Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to import W2 and 1099 forms into TurboTax in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. I'm not going to waste much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your TurboTax account. So go ahead and log into your TurboTax account using your email address and password on the TurboTax website. Now, once you're logged into your account, you're going to click on import. So go ahead and click on the import button to import your W2 and 1099 forms. Next, you're going to select your employer or the payer. So go ahead and select your employer or payer from the list of participating companies on TurboTax. And next, you're going to enter your employer or payer's ID number. So go ahead and enter that to verify your identity. And next, you're going to import your W2 and 1099 forms. So now that you've verified your identity, go ahead and import your W2 and 1099 forms into TurboTax. So yeah, next you can review and verify your imported forms. So just make sure that the information is accurate and everything is good to go, because it's very important to stress accuracy when dealing with TurboTax. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to import W2 and 1099 forms into TurboTax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.